These three AI tools will make you rich. The tools I'm talking about are ChatGPT and Canva. Now the question arises, how? The way I'm talking about is to make and sell ebooks only using AI. Let me explain you. To become rich, first you have to find a viral topic. For that, you have to open Facebook ads library and search ebook and see which ebook ads are running from a long time period. That means they were performing well. Now I have a viral topic, self-confidence, and I want to make an ebook on this topic. So now we have to open ChatGPT and write this prompt. Act as a professional ebook writer and write an ebook on topic self-confidence. Now ChatGPT give you some headings only. You have to copy them and one by one paste in ChatGPT and write elaborated. Now you have to repeat this process until all the topics are covered. Then you have to open Canva and paste all the stuff you have taken from ChatGPT. Now adjust all it. After adjusting all the stuff, you have to make an ebook cover using Canva only. And you can search ebook cover on topic self-confidence. Then you can choose which one you want and edit it as per your wish. Now your ebook is ready. Now you have to sell it, and if you want to know how to sell it, how to do low cost marketing, and how to make people buy it, then you have to watch my upcoming video. And to support my channel, hit the like button and subscribe and comment your views and share this video to the interested one. And remember, prayer is a man's greatest power.